Right? So I have three scenarios, okay, that I'll go through. The first scenario is to find the total volume. The second scenario is to find the total surface area. And the third scenario, okay, you might be asked, is to find the depth of liquid or the height of the liquid. Alright? So let's look at the first scenario. Okay, so the structure is made up of a cone and a hemisphere. The cone has a vertical height of 8 cm and a base radius of 5 cm. So the hemisphere has a radius of 7 cm. Find the volume of the structure. Okay, so this is a composite solid. Alright, as you see, it's made up of a cone and a hemisphere. So how do we find the volume of the structure? Alright, so we have to find the volume of the cone. Okay, this will be the first part that we have to find. Then we have to find the second part, which is the volume of the hemisphere. Alright, then we add them up together. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so let's find the volume of the cone first. So remember, the formula is 1/3 pi r squared. Okay, so 5 squared times 8. Alright, and from here it will be 200 over 3 pi cm cubic centimeters. Okay, I leave it in terms of pi. Then volumes of hemisphere. Okay, it's not 4/3, it is 2/3 pi r cube. So pi times 7 cube. Be careful, alright? The radius of the hemisphere is 7 cm, not 5 cm. Alright? And from here, it is 686 over 3 pi cubic centimeters. And now the total volume of the structure would be, you just add these two up. So plus 686 over 3 pi. And the answer is 928 cubic centimeters. So round off to 3 significant figures.